Today I'm gonna share with you my English therapy journey. When I came here that time, I don't know how to speak in English properly in front of anyone, and I have not a good basic side in the grammar. After that, I come here and I stay here few days. I realize that English therapy has an environment. For the day, I every day try to my best for learning English, and English therapy. Every teachers are very kindly. If we mistakes any kind of thing, any kind of teach, after that our teacher try his best for give us the solution. And English therapy has another good thing that you can't speak in Bangla in front of anyone. If you are a English therapy student, that time you bound to need speaking in English. You can't speak in Bangla. If you say any single Bangla word, that time you bound to pay 20 taka for per single Bangla word. That's why we are every time speaking in English. I stay here 2 months, and right now I believe that I am a fluent speaker in English. I can speak in anyone. You come English therapy for getting your fluency. That's it. Thank you all for seeing my this video. Allah Hafiz.